Welcome back everyone. On demand of students, now I have started to give MCQs of all important topics of JEE Main. First we will do level 1 MCQs, top MCQs, important MCQs that will help you to boost your rank in JEE Main 2022. Already I have taught you everything in trigonometry. Please watch those videos in case you have missed those videos. And please share the videos and subscribe so that it will help lots of students for free. Now, very important JEE Main 2022 MCQs, trigonometry. Now, let us start. Next video, I will give you the weightage of all topics of JEE Main 2022 for maths, for physics, for chemistry, everything. Now, trigonometry, I have taught you everything in theory. Top MCQs level 1. Then we'll do level 2. Okay, based on all different concepts. Okay. Now, first sum. Cos 540 minus theta, sin 630 minus theta. Your options are like this. So in my previous videos, those who have seen, I have given a full chart. By 2, by 2, by 2, pair, pair, pair. Pi, 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 same, same, same. All silver, tea, cups, add sugar to coffee. Using those pandas, we can get the values directly. Now, 540 means 6 pi by 2 minus theta. 630 means 7 pi by 2 minus theta. So look, 6 pi by 2 is 3 pi. Pi, 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 same, same, same. So that is minus cos theta. And by 2, by 2, by 2, pair, pair, pair. By 2, by 2, by 2. By 2 का मतलब, please watch those videos, will help you a lot. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, like this. Odd multiple of 90s. Sine become cos, cos become sine. So that become cos theta. But 7 pi by 2, that is 630. 630 will come in which quadrant? 630. 630 will come in which quadrant? So if you look, multiples of 90, so that will give you a minus sign. So that also become minus. So hence minus cos theta plus cos theta, your answer is 0. Means A option is the right option. First one, look, within 30 seconds you will be able to solve the MCQs. Second sum, 2 sec square alpha minus sec raised to 4 alpha, 2 cosec square alpha, cosec raised to 4 alpha is 15 by 4, then what is the value of tan alpha? Now, so if you look at the left hand side, if you arrange the terms properly, look, in MCQs we have to solve the sums very fast, within 30 to 40 seconds or maybe 50 seconds on an average. Then only it is possible for you to score full marks in JEE Main. So now, your expression, if you look, 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square minus 1 plus cot square alpha the whole square. Clear this step, everyone? यहाँ पे सिंपल लॉजिक है बेटा. ये जो सेक स्क्वायर अल्फा होता है वो होता है 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर अल्फा और कोसेक स्क्वायर अल्फा होता है 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर अल्फा. तो जब आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे ना तो आपका LHS ऐसे होगा 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square minus 1 plus cot square alpha the whole square minus sign, because this is minus and this is plus, and the remaining terms you can take 2 common, so that is 1 plus tan square alpha, writing sec square alpha like this, and what this become 1 minus cot square alpha. Is it clear to everyone? Look, sec raised to 4 मतलब 1 plus tan square का square, cosec raised to 4 मतलब 1 plus cot square का square माइनस कॉमन, ठीक है। और ये देखो 2 sec square alpha, ये 2 cosec square alpha, तो वहां से अगर मैं 2 कॉमन लूंगा तो sec square alpha I can write like this and cosec square alpha I can write like this. Okay, so now look, if you simplify properly, what you are getting? Cot raised to 4 alpha minus tan raised to 4 alpha, and that is equal to 15 by 4. Is it clear to everyone? Now, look, these numbers are reciprocal now. So you're smart. So you can write tan raised to 4 alpha equal to 1 by 4. That means tan alpha is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So now minus 1 by root 2 is not there, only 1 by root 2 is there. So that means A option is the right option. Any doubts you can write in your comment box. So I will help you. But JEE Main requires some special skill of solving the sum very fast within 40-50 seconds. So look, all steps are in front of you. Soon I will take my live lectures also. But I want more subscribers so that I can teach live. I can teach any topic on spot, any level on spot. And I want my student get benefited with my knowledge, my potential, my caliber. And for that, keep watching, keep sharing and subscribing. So this is the speed which is required to score full 100% in maths for JEE Main 2022. Now, next up. Look, if you link my videos, then you'll find this sums are very easy. त्रिको के जितने भी वीडियो मैंने बनाए ना वो देखिए आप लोग. Now, third sum. What is given? Roots of quadratic equation. X square plus px plus q equal to 0 are tan 30 and tan 15. Roots of quadratic equation x square plus px plus q, tan 30 and tan 50. Then find the value of 2 plus p minus q. Your options are 1, 2, 3, 0. Now, you know, roots are like alpha and beta. So, alpha plus beta is minus p and alpha into beta q, right? So, you have tan 30 plus tan 15 minus p and tan 30 into tan 15 equal to q. Now the logic comes here. 1 means tan 45. That is tan 30 plus 15. We have to think why these two values are given and what is the use of plus and multiplication together. So that gives you the hint of tan 45. Now tan A plus B, tanning plus tan B upon 1 minus tan B. So that is tan 30, tan 15, 1 minus tan 30, tan 15. Now that you know, that is alpha plus beta. This is your alpha and this is your beta. Alpha plus beta is minus p. and this is 1 minus q, and that is equal to 1. Right, everyone? So now shifting this, so 1 minus q equal to minus p. Matlab 1 equal to p minus q. Now you are very smart. So 2 plus p minus q is equal to 2 plus 1. So 3. 3 is the right answer. The C option is the right option. मतलब सोचने का सम बनाया क्यों है, तो उसके पीछे का लॉजिक क्या है, 30 प्लस 15 45, अल्फा प्लस बीटा अल्फा इंटू बीटा, मतलब प्लस और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों कौन से फॉर्मूले में आएगा, इमीडिएटली आपको क्लिक होना चाहिए tan a प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला है, tan a प्लस बी, tanning plus tan b upon 1 minus tan b. So you can apply the formula and get the answer very comfortably and very accurately. Right? Okay. Let us move to the next sum now. Before going for the next sum, let me explain you. Last year, my at least 25 students got more than 95 percentile in MSTCT and JEE Main, and number of students got selected for NITs, 1-2 student even selected for IITs. So I want the students to remain with me from beginning, because from today I have started solving MCQs. First I will clear MCQ theory, and then I will teach all important MCQs. So there is a link, and accordingly all videos will be given in the playlist. आप कोई भी टाइम पे देख सकते हो आपके कंफर्ट के हिसाब से. That will help you a lot. Next sum, fourth sum. Tan 25 is equal to x. Then find the value of tan 155 minus tan 115 upon 1 plus tan 155 tan 115. Okay. Your options are like this: 1 minus x square upon 2x, B 1 plus x square upon 2x, C option 1 plus x square 1 minus x square, and the last option 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. Solution. If you look at a given expression whose value is required, tan E minus tan B 1 plus tan B. So the expression become tan A minus B, 155 minus 115. 155 minus 115. That is tan 40. But value of 25 is given, which is not associated with 40, but that is associated with 50. So now you're smart. This you can write as cot 50. Tan theta cot 90 minus theta. And cot 50 is nothing but 1 upon tan 50. That is 2 into 25. Now you can apply tan 2 theta का formula. 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. So this will go up 1 minus tan square 25 2 tan 25. But that is given to be x. So 1 minus x square upon 2x. Means A option is the right option. Now that is a complete solution. Now if you have command on the formulas, look, this option is associated with sin 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. तो ये तो नहीं आएगा. ये दोनों फॉर्मूला cos 2 थीटा से रिलेटेड है. तो tan से रिलेटेड क्या होता है, tan है cot, और tan 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला आप देखोगे तो क्या है, 2 tan थीटा 1 minus tan square थीटा. मतलब वो डायरेक्ट इशारा कर रहा है कि ए ऑप्शन आएगा. तो इफ यू हैव कमांड ऑन द फॉर्मूला, ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली यू कैन मार्क ए ऑप्शन एज द राइट ऑप्शन. So that is a smart way of thinking the option in a correct way. Otherwise, this is the complete solution in front of you. Now, look, in JEE what happened? 2-3 topics are clubbed. For example, previous sum you have seen. Quadratic equation was clubbed with the values of tan. And this type of sums are really difficult to get the options in right time. Now, fifth sum. Let me clear, I am doing all this thing only for needy students. I am teaching for last 20 years in top level institutes. I cannot disclose them. So what I want, these videos must reach to all needy students having good potential. So with my guidance, for sure you'll score to your best potential. Okay, now next sum. The value of determinant. Sine square 13, sine square 77, tan 135, then sine square 77, tan 135, sine square 13, tan 135, sine square 15, sine square 13, sorry, sine square 77. And your options are given as -1, 0, 1 and 2. -1, 0, 1 and 2. Now look, determinant most of the sum आंसर 0 ही आता है, तो वो पहला हिंट है. डिटरमिनेंट के जो भी सम्स है ना, 100 में से 99 टाइम आंसर 0 ही आता है. तो अगर आपको कुछ नहीं आता है तो हमेशा मोस्टली 0 ही आता है आंसर. मैंने देखा है बहुत जन वीडियो में बनाते हैं तुक्का कैसे लगाया, 10 मिलियन व्यू. अरे भाई, तुक्का लगाने से कभी भी जेईई मेन में मार्क्स नहीं मिलते हैं. जो लोग बोलते हैं उसको ड्रॉप आउट्स है, तो वो बातों में मत आओ. विथ प्रॉपर प्लानिंग you can easily score 80 to 90 percentile, and with best potential, best planning, best strategies, hard work, you can cross 95 percentile for sure. Okay, so now if you look at साइंस को 1377, तो वो देखना है कि वो क्यों दिया है. तो ये देखो, ये जो है ना साइन थीटा कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा कॉस स्क्वायर 13. यस सर, नाउ यू गॉट इट राइट एवरीवन. अब ये जो वैल्यूज दिए है, देखो ये स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है. 77 13 नॉट स्टैंडर्ड, बट ये 130 स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है. tan 90 प्लस थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा, तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगा माइनस कॉट 45, मतलब -1. ये भी हो गया बेटा -1, ऐसे ये भी बेटा हो गया -1. बेटा बेटी जो भी देख रहे हैं, तो स्टूडेंट दिस बिकम -1. नाउ यू गॉट अ क्लू. You got a clue now? Now what do you do? अभी मिल रहा है. कॉलम 1 चेंजेस टू C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3. तो देखो तीनों को ऐड करोगे तो ये हो गया 0, ये हो गया 0, ये हो गया 0. Am I right everyone? देखो 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, तो ये साइन स्क्वायर थीटा -1 मतलब ये माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर 13 बन रहा है, और ये प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर 13 बन रहा है. तो जब तीनों को ऐड करोगे तो कट हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे हो रहा है, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे हो रहा है. नाउ यू नो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट, इफ एनी कॉलम इज 0, बाकी कुछ भी है उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो आंसर इज 0 एंड हेंस बी ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन. तो मैंने पहले बोला डिटरमिनेंट में मोस्ट ऑफ द सम आंसर इज 0, but you should be smart enough to do this type of operation. Never try to expand the determinant completely, it will be horrible. So you should know the logic in giving the content of determinant. Either you should add the columns or you should add the row. So देखो, here we observe C1 plus C2 plus C3 makes 0 0 0, and if one of the column is 0, value of determinant is 0. Now the next one. Look, I can take live lecture, I can solve 100 to 100 MCQs, but for that I need subscribers. I want the people to watch my videos. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं अकेला ही चिल्ला रहा हूं और कोई देख नहीं रहा है, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. ये सब आपके लिए कर रहा हूं मैं, अदरवाइज आई एम हैविंग डेली 12-14 आवर्स लेक्चर्स. बट आई नो I must lead from the front to help my students. Okay. So now, next sum, I am taking some different type of sums. Now, next. Sixth sum. A equal to 130. Look, these are level 1 sums. Level 1 में ही हालत खराब हो जाती है. फिर लेवल 2 और उसके बाद एडवांस लेवल. तो एडवांस भी आपको फ्री में मिलेगा, बट उसके लिए आई वांट सब्सक्राइबर्स. एंड टू ऑल माय स्टूडेंट हु आर इन इंजीनियरिंग, फर्स्ट आई विल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल ऑफ यू to get your desired branches in engineering, desired colleges. Soon I will make videos on engineering mathematics also, so that will help you a lot. Okay, so now options are x greater than 0, x less than 0, x equal to 0, and d x greater than equal to 0. Now x equal to sin 130 plus cos 130, putting the value of a. Now इसको sin 130 मतलब 180 minus 50, sin 180 minus theta sin theta, 180 मतलब pi same by 2 pair by 2 का मतलब sin 90 minus theta cos theta, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, sin become cos become sin. Cos 130 मतलब cos 90 plus 40, cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta, तो ये minus sin 40 हो गया. Okay, now you know sin is an increasing function between 0 to 90. Obviously sin 50 is greater than sin 40, so answer is greater than 0. So A option is the right option. Sin is increasing function from 0 to 90. इसका ग्राफ देखोगे ना तो 90 पे 1 आता है, फिर डिक्रीज होता है. तो 0 से 90 इंक्रीज होता है. वो इंक्रीज होने का मतलब sin 50 is greater than sin 40, और cos में उल्टा होता है बेटा. तो इसके लिए sin 50 greater than sin 40 मतलब आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिव. तो A option is the right option. Now seventh sum. If tan square 36 plus k sin 18 plus cos 36 equal to 5, then find the value of k. K equal to A option √2, B option 2√5, C option 4, or D option 4√5. Solution. Now This is a specially very different type of sum. So what happened? We remember the standard values, but here you must remember the values. 18, 36 और उसका वीडियो भी मैंने डाला हुआ है, तो वो देखना है आपको. तो नाउ, तो अगर वो टेबल मालूम है तो tan 36 का वैल्यू होता है √5 - 2√5 और sin 18 का वैल्यू होता है √5 - 1/4. cos 36 का वैल्यू √5 + 1/4. तो your expression become tan 36 is √5 - 2√5. So if you remember the value, it's well and good. You must remember. So that is 5 - 2√5. sin 18, ये क्वेश्चन MSTCT में इस ईयर में पूछा था 2021 में. तो ये हो गया √5 - 1/4. ये हो गया √5 + 1/4. That is given to be 5. So sum seems to difficult, but if you remember the value, it is very easy. So look, obviously after solving, it's very easy. If you solve, you get k equal to 4. Because if you put k equal to 4, this term get cancelled, right? So √5, 2√5 get cancelled, -1 + 1 get cancelled, k equal to 5. That means k equal to 4, and hence k equal to 4. Okay, so sum is not difficult if you remember the values, and I have given and put the video how to find sin 18, sin 22.5, tan 36, sin 36 so easily. Please refer those videos. Find in the playlist of trigonometry. Okay. Now, next sum number 8. Now, very important sum. So mark it with a star. Very important sum. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta cos alpha plus beta. Given this expression is independent of alpha, beta, both alpha and beta, and the last option is the value of this expression is 1. This expression is independent of alpha, beta, both alpha and beta, and last में इसका value 1. Now, the given expression. So you can write sin square alpha. The logic is here. इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या बेटा? cos alpha plus beta. cos alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now, that is why I have taught you everything in trigonometry. Sin a plus b, cos a plus b, everything I have taught you. Cos a plus b, cos a plus b, cos cos sin sin, cos cos sin sin. So it is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. तो माइनस साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा इसका तो एक के साथ कट होगा और बचेगा क्या? cos अल्फा cos बीटा माइनस साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा 2 साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा, तो बचा क्या? साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा. ऐसे So that is sin square alpha. Cos alpha plus beta, ये हो गया cos alpha minus beta. Cos cos sin sin. So cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta. So here you can apply your defactorization formula. So that become cos square alpha minus sin square beta. So sin square alpha, cos square alpha become 1. 1 minus sin square beta. The answer is cos square beta. That means your expression depend only on beta. So it is independent of alpha. The A option is the right option. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पूछा है independent of, तो ये बीटा पे डिपेंड है, मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट किस पे हुआ, अल्फा पे. सो दिस इज द राइट वैल्यू. ओके, प्लीज हैव अ लुक क्लोजली. I will try to give 10, 12, 15 MCQs whenever I get time. And believe me, I have number of amazing things that nobody knows. It's my challenge to all the teachers who teach JEE Main and JEE Advanced. Open challenge to all the teachers. But I cannot disclose it here. First, I want my number of students. Those who I teach physically, offline lectures, private tuitions, they know. But it is for free to all students. My number of students are watching from foreign countries also. And I get a number of comments personally also. So look, believe me, it is for free to all the students. सिर्फ आपको देखना है उसको टाइम निकाल के, वो भी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं मैं. Please find your separate time. This will help you a lot to boost your ranks. Okay. Next now. This sum was important. Sin 32 equal to k. And I told you now, look, I am not a believer of digital teaching, smart board, number of things. जैसे हम ऑफलाइन में पढ़ाते हैं स्टूडेंट को नोटबुक पे, बोर्ड पे, मैं चाहता हूं वैसे ही, क्योंकि वैसे पढ़ा के ही हमने बहुत सारे टॉपर प्रोड्यूस किए हैं. माय 1-2 स्टूडेंट आर नाउ प्रोफेसर इन IIT. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मुझे वो सिर्फ रिजल्ट चाहिए आपके पास से, बिकॉज इंडिया इज फुल ऑफ टैलेंट्स. Only I want कि whenever you go to that position, सी मेरा नाम आना चाहिए. Yes sir, 80 sir has taught. बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए मुझे. And I am available always to help my students. Now, next, sin 32 equal to k. Cos x equal to 1 minus 2k square. This is the last MCQ for today. And alpha and beta are values of x between 0 and 360. Listen, alpha and beta are values of x between 0 and 360. Alpha and beta are values of x between 0 and 360. With alpha less than beta, then find out which is correct. Alpha plus beta equal to 180. Beta minus alpha equal to 200. C option. Beta equal to 4 alpha plus 40. And D option. Beta equal to 5 alpha minus 20. Solution. Now we know cos x equal to 1 minus 2k square. That is given, right? that is 1 minus 2 k का value sin square 32. 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta, so that is cos 2 theta 32 का double cos 64 हो गया बेटा. But you know by principal values cos theta is same as cos 2 pi minus theta. So value is cos 64 or 360 minus 64. थीटा और 2 पाई माइनस थीटा, सो दैट इज उसको माइनस कर दो आप लोग. 360 माइनस 64 विल बी 296. मतलब तो एक वैल्यू से अल्फा, अल्फा लेस देन बीटा है उसका. ओके, तो बीटा को हम लेते हैं 296 और अल्फा को लेते हैं 64, राइट. तो देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन आ रहा है सही बेटा. तो बीटा माइनस अल्फा 200 नहीं आ रहा है. बीटा 4 अल्फा प्लस 40 कौन सा आ रहा है बताओ अभी ऑप्शन. पहला तो नहीं आ रहा है, दूसरा भी नहीं आ रहा है, डी भी नहीं आ रहा है, तो सी ऑप्शन आ रहा है शायद. तो सी ऑप्शन, यस, 4 अल्फा प्लस 40 will give you 296. C option is the right option. Thanks for watching. Again I am telling you, please share, please subscribe, tell people to subscribe so that I can give whatever knowledge I am having to boost your rank for JEE Main. That is only my one wish. Bye everyone. Bye.